Hey everybody, I have an F150. I was going to replace, well actually just remove the starter. It's not hard. First of all, just jack it up. 3 points of contact, at least 2 jack stands, blocks, or jack. And basically what you're going to do is, first of all, undo the negative battery post. If you look at the starter here, the red and black wires are facing the front of the vehicle. You're going to take those off first so that you can have your ratchet with maybe like 2 short extensions or 2 short and 1 long, because it's kind of tricky. But you're gonna have the ratchet on the front, towards the front of the vehicle, and reach across to get the back bolts out. So you're gonna remove the post. You're gonna move that post there. That's also a black one. Remove that. And if you can see on the bottom right there, there's a bolt there, and there's another one on the top you can't see. So you're gonna use your ratchet. Leave that one there in last. Go above that. Go across the length of the starter with the extension and the ratchet. Take that top bolt out first, and then you're going to take that bottom one I just showed you. But you're definitely going to remove all the electrical connections first, because that's going to get in the way of your ratchet and the extension. Okay, so definitely going to have 2 different size extensions, because there's not a lot of space. Definitely leave the bottom bolt in last so it doesn't fall on your head. But take those bolts out, the post off. Just be aware of the orientation when you do it, and put it back on. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.